The Ultimate Guide, Top 20 Foods for Effective Weight Loss. Unlocking your weight loss journey begins with what you put on your plate. Dive into the top 20 foods scientifically proven to torch fat and sculpt your body. It's time to eat smarter, not less. Welcome to our ultimate guide on the 20 best foods for weight loss. If you're tired of crash diets and unsustainable routines, you're in the right place. Today, we'll unveil the power-packed ingredients that not only fuel your body but also help you shed those stubborn pounds. Whether you're a seasoned health enthusiast or just starting your wellness journey, prepare to be inspired and informed. Let's embark on a delicious and nutritious exploration that will transform the way you eat and feel. Sure, here's a detailed breakdown of each of the 20 foods for weight loss. 1. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are incredibly low in calories but packed with essential nutrients. They contain vitamins A, C, K, and minerals like iron and calcium. High in fiber, they promote satiety, aid digestion, and support overall health. 2. Lean proteins. Lean protein sources such as chicken breast, turkey, fish, tofu, and legumes are vital for muscle repair and growth. They also keep you feeling full for longer periods, which can prevent overeating. Incorporating lean proteins into your diet can help boost metabolism and support weight loss. 3. Beans and legumes. Beans and legumes like black beans, lentils, and chickpeas are rich in protein, fiber, and complex carbohydrates. They provide sustained energy, regulate blood sugar levels, and promote feelings of fullness. Additionally, their high fiber content supports digestive health and can aid in weight management. 4. Whole grains. Whole grains such as quinoa, brown rice, oats, and barley are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They digest slowly, helping to stabilize blood sugar levels and keep you feeling satisfied for longer. Whole grains are also linked to improved heart health and can contribute to weight loss when consumed as part of a balanced diet. 5. Fruits. Fruits like berries, apples, oranges, and pears are not only delicious but also nutrient-dense. They are rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber. The fiber content aids digestion and helps control hunger, making fruits an excellent choice for satisfying sweet cravings while supporting weight loss goals. 6. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds like almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber. Despite being calorie-dense, they can help control appetite and reduce the risk of overeating. Additionally, the combination of protein and fiber promotes satiety and supports weight management. 7. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is an excellent source of protein and probiotics. Protein helps keep you feeling full, while probiotics support gut health and digestion. Choosing Greek yogurt over sugary alternatives can aid in weight loss by reducing overall calorie intake and promoting a healthy gut microbiome. 8. Avocado. Avocado is a nutrient-dense fruit rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Despite being calorie-dense, avocados can promote feelings of fullness and satiety. The combination of healthy fats and fiber supports weight loss by reducing appetite and preventing overeating. 9. Eggs. Eggs are a nutritional powerhouse, providing high-quality protein, vitamins, and minerals. They are also rich in choline, a nutrient important for brain health and metabolism. Eating eggs for breakfast can help control appetite and reduce calorie intake throughout the day, supporting weight loss efforts. 10. Salmon. Salmon is a fatty fish rich in omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and essential nutrients. Omega-3s have been shown to reduce inflammation, support heart health, and promote weight loss by increasing feelings of fullness and reducing appetite. Including fatty fish like salmon in your diet can be beneficial for overall health and weight management. 11. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate with a high cocoa content is rich in antioxidants called flavonoids. These compounds have been linked to various health benefits, including improved heart health and reduced inflammation. Consuming dark chocolate in moderation can satisfy cravings for sweets and may help control appetite, supporting weight loss efforts. 12. Broccoli. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable rich in fiber, vitamins such as C and K, and antioxidants. It is low in calories but high in nutrients, making it an excellent choice for weight loss. Broccoli is also versatile and can be incorporated into various dishes to add flavor and nutrition. 13. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is another cruciferous vegetable that is low in calories and high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. It can be used as a substitute for higher carb foods like rice and potatoes, making it a popular choice for low-carb diets. Cauliflower is also a good source of antioxidants, which can help reduce inflammation and support overall health. 14. Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts are rich in fiber, vitamins such as K and C, and antioxidants. They are low in calories but high in nutrients, making them an excellent addition to a weight loss diet. Brussels sprouts also contain compounds called glucosinolates, which have been shown to have anti-cancer properties. 15. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is a low-fat dairy product that is high in protein and calcium. It is also rich in vitamins and minerals, including B vitamins and phosphorus. Cottage cheese is a versatile food that can be eaten on its own or used as a topping or ingredient in various dishes. It is low in calories but high in protein, making it a filling and nutritious option for weight loss. 16. Lean beef. Lean cuts of beef, such as sirloin or tenderloin, are excellent sources of high-quality protein, iron, zinc, and B vitamins. Protein is essential for muscle growth and repair, while iron helps transport oxygen throughout the body. Including lean beef in your diet can help you feel full and satisfied, supporting your weight loss goals. 17. Turkey breast. Turkey breast is a lean protein source that is low in fat and calories but high in protein. It is also a good source of vitamins and minerals, including niacin, selenium, and phosphorus. Consuming turkey breast can help you feel full and satisfied, making it easier to stick to your weight loss plan. 18. Green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants called catechins, which have been shown to boost metabolism and promote fat loss. Drinking green tea regularly may help increase calorie burning and reduce body fat, making it a valuable addition to a weight loss diet. 19. Chili peppers. Chili peppers contain a compound called capsaicin, which has been shown to increase metabolism and promote fat burning. Adding chili peppers or hot sauce to your meals can help boost calorie burning and may aid in weight loss. 20. Water. Water is essential for overall health and plays a crucial role in weight loss. Drinking water before meals can help reduce appetite and calorie intake. Additionally, staying hydrated supports proper digestion and metabolism, making it easier to achieve and maintain a healthy weight. By incorporating these foods into your diet and making healthy lifestyle choices, you can support your weight loss efforts and improve your overall health and well-being. Remember to focus on variety, moderation, and balance, and consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian for personalized guidance and advice.